Let's make some Malai lamb chops in the air fryer. I'm gonna start with yogurt. So I've taken about half a cup of yogurt here, half cup of cream. This is fresh single cream. Coriander, or you can use parsley if you don't like coriander. Paprika powder, coriander powder, garam masala, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder, pepper, red chili flakes, lemon juice, everything. So that's the marinade for the chops. Now I'm using lamb chops and I'm using 1.5 kg of chops, both the front and the back chops. Coat the chops really well with the marinade. Coated the chops really well with the marinade. Now I'm gonna let these marinate for at least 2 hours so the chops can become tender and the marinade can be soaked in inside the meat. I forgot to add the salt, so I'm gonna add some salt in there and give it a good mix again. So I've placed the lamb chops in the air fryer. These are gonna go in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and now I'm gonna flip the lamb chops. Now I'm gonna put these back in the air fryer for about 10 more minutes. These are ready.